Dakop sa GINIBO drug bypass operation.
Triple o apat na doble ang bihikulo na gruso sa siyudad kang NAGA.
Mas complain ng police station kang NAGA City Police Office.
Newsbreak.
Diyos marhay na hapon, uya ang bareta sa oras na ini. 37 na local government units sa Camarines Sur ang presente sa pinagibong Local Price Community Council Congress kang Department of Trade and Industry Camarines Sur. Susug kay Mr. J. Ablan, Provincial Director kan DTI Camarines Sur, obheto kang programang ini iyo ang maproteksyonan ang mga konsumidores manungod sa mga presyo kang mga produkto na ipinapabakal kan mga negosyante as hindi maaprobitsyaran ang presyo urog na kung may kalamidad na nagtatama sa tuya.
This is part of the program of the government to protect the consumers. And primarily, ang pinaka-objective talaga kaning LPCC is to make sure na, number one, ang basic necessities and prime commodities talagang readily available even in times of calamity. And then number two, itong available man siya pero dapat at reasonable or affordable prices. Meaning, dapat mayong mga unscrupulous na mga negosyante na ma-take advantage para pataason ini. Kasi sabi ko nga nasa calamity na, ma-take advantage ka ba, di ba? And then, igwaman mga certain laws na dapat pigi enforcement. And I think magiging katuwang taman kani ang mga LPCC in the different municipalities.
Sa iba pang bareta, kabali sa aabangan ka mga paradalan sa BUCAL Season 6 ang pinakaprimerong BUCAL Cheer and Dance Competition. Susuki Alexandra Sofia Benemerito, event head kan Cheer and Dance Competition, bako pang sikat sa Bicol ang Cheer and Dance Competition kaya sa paagi kaini, mas maipapahiling ang kakayahan asin talento kan mga partisipantes hali sa anom na kolehiyo asin universidad sa Bicol.
So this would be the first ever cheer dance competition na i-handle po ng BUCAL or the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic Club.
So ano yung mga pinakasama?
For this first season of cheer and dance competition, the teams po nakasama ay NCF Tigers, and we have USI Falcons Pep Squad, and Ateneo Golden Cavalry, UNC Greyhounds Pep Squad, ACLC Hawks Pep Squad, and of course the Sibiswa Buffalo Pep Squad. Ang cheer and dance po kasi it is not well known pa talaga digdi sa Bicol, especially dito sa NAGA. So I hope this first BUCAL cheer and dance competition, with this mas maging known ang cheer dance within the Bicol kasi po maraming talents here sa NAGA dito sa around Bicol na pwedeng ma-recruit outside Manila and mas ma-enhance nila ang potentials nila as Bikolano performers.
Yan ang mga bidang baretang nakalap kan mas pinakusog na puwersa kan One Media TV48 NAGA News and Bicol Affairs. Day malingaw na i-follow ang samoyang official Facebook page, One Media TV48 NAGA. Padagos kaming mahatod din mga baretang garantisadong nangingenot as sinapapanahon. I-hit ang subscribe button sa samoyang official YouTube channel, One Media TV48 NAGA, tanghaling updated kita sa mga bareta as in istoryang bitaan Bikolano. Ako po si Christine Reyes, mabalos kansidong magantaban.
Dakop sa GINIBO drug bypass operation.
Triple o apat na doble ang bihikulo na gruso sa siyudad kang NAGA.
Mas complain ng police station kang NAGA City Police Office.
Newsbreak.
We invest in shaping the future of healthcare. Our investment in the state-of-the-art facilities and the latest equipment means our students gain hands-on experience with the current technology driving the healthcare industry forward. From immersive laboratories to AI-powered patient model simulators to innovative learning environments, our graduates are prepared to meet the challenges of modern healthcare. The NAGA College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, your premier leap to becoming a champion of healthcare.
Hello, NCF!
Welcome to the NAGA College Foundation Incorporated,
where academic excellence meets limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field.
Here at NCF Wings, you are a step closer to your dream of becoming a flight attendant.
This is the first cabin crew training in Bicol. But at the heart of it all is the newly constructed College of Criminal Justice Education building.
The NAGA College Foundation Incorporated is one of the 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education as the Center of Development in Criminology. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate interactive learning,
Strategically designed to support collaborative discussion and critical thinking. This building is home to Bicol's first world-class indoor firing range,
which provides our students first-hand training in ensuring that they are proficient in firearm safety and marksmanship.
from crime scene simulation laboratories to forensic science facilities.
NCS CCJE has a wide range of specialized resources to prepare its students for various career opportunities in criminal justice.
Unlock your potential today. Join us as we leap into the future.
Join the NAGA College Foundation College of Criminal Justice Education.